Guys, I'm here and today I'm back with a really exciting unboxing. So this package came to me from Moyu, and in here is going to be the GTS3M and the new Moyu 2x2. So thank you Moyu for sending this to me for test. I am really happy, but there seems like there's some more stuff in there as well, like a whole package or so. So let me just open the box up. I mean the packaging up. Seems to be a ton of stuff in here. Oh, sorry. Guys, I'll just be back after I open this package up. The package up, and I forgot to record me opening this Zanglang. I still have these two cubes, by the way. I also got two Moyu mats, and one is really small, so it's fitting on my table. It's a really good mat, by the way, really good quality. And there's another really big one, which I don't think I'll make use of as it's really big. So I did first turns on the Zanglang already because my video cut out. It's a really good cube. It's non-magnetic, this one, which I have right now. It's like really nice and it's really smooth. Like you can't feel any friction on this. And the only thing I can compare it to right now is like somewhere like a Tangpo, maybe something like an MF2, and the turning, like the smoothness is of the Weilong. So it's a good mix between the three flagship 2x2s. So yeah, now let's try the magnetic one. So the magnetic Zanglang 2x2. So yeah. Oh, and also while opening we got this awesome card of Massey Edge. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is magnetic, and there's some stuff in here. What else do we have? No cards. Yeah, we do have the cards. So who do we have? We have Massey again. Whoa! And we have Kai Wen, I think. That's what it's called. And yeah, we have these magnets, extra magnets. So yeah, this is a magnetic one. Once again, thank you to Moyu for sending these to me for test, as well as the GTS3. It's a great honor to be testing for you guys. This is magnetic, by the way. Wow, this is really nice. It's a bit locky right now, but yeah, the tensions are a bit tight for me. But wow, this is good. Like, I'm beyond surprised. This is like much better than the non-magnetic version. This is just way too smooth and can't really be turned fast for like TPS stuff. But this one is perfect. Like, I can see myself using this in the future, that's for sure. And like the turning, it stays the same, but it's just really improved by this slight magnetic bump. The magnets are pretty decent actually. They are stronger than a few others I've tried. Like, yeah. So yeah, that's all for this 2x2. Now let's open the GTS3M. I will be uploading solved videos, by the way, guys, of all three puzzles. Maybe not the non-magnetic Zanglang, but still, I'll try. Yeah, so here's the GTS3M. Here's the puzzle. And here's the, what's this? Accessories box. So, okay, we have that. I've got that in all three till now. And we've got some more stuff. I don't know what this stuff is used for, but I'll have to check that out. Yeah, I think Moyu does have a video on that, so the box is empty. Who do I get this time? I get Sing. Cool. Yeah, that's a pamphlet, and that's, oh, this is this shows you the case adjustment, I think. So this is the case of the cube. Am I supposed to open this? Yeah, it's open. Oh wow, this cube. This is what everyone's been waiting for. First one. Wow, like, wow, this cube is awesome. Like, it's just, yeah, like all three, it's just a bit tight for me right now. I like my cubes really loose. The magnets are pretty strong compared to the mass-produced GTS3M. and after some lubing and tensioning, I can see myself definitely using this. I'm not sure about OH though, because yeah, it's a bit big for me and the magnets are too strong for OH. And the ridges, yeah, I need to try these ridges. So these ridges don't seem to be having any problems with them right now, but I'll have to test this cube out as well as the two others which I got to see if they were worth it, like if they're worth to buy or not. This one is definitely worth to buy. It's a magnetic Zanglang and it's really good. And yeah, this cube overall is really good. Can't wait to solve more on this. Thank you guys for watching. I've made a mess. I need to clean it up. Bye.